7.5 here. So the 7.5 we did here is what we just replicated here. So we're trying to create the neckline for the front pattern. So the next thing you're going to do is create a constant measurement of 16.5 centimeter from that 4.5 centimeter line that we did before. So it's a constant measurement, you don't need to go beyond or above. So just create a straight line, 16.5 centimeter. So you see. So once you are done, connect your neck point. This is your neck point. I hope you can see it. This is your neck point. So connect your neck point to this line we just created and extend it out. So just connect it to this line and extend it out, just like that. So the next thing you're going to do is get your chest measurement. And to get your chest measurement, your chest is 4 centimeters above the bust line. So come to your bust line and go up by 4 centimeters, right? Then on your chest, on that line, we're going to create our chest measurement. And to get your chest measurement, you're going to do chest divided by 2 plus 2 centimeters. Chest divided by 2 plus 2. So mine is 21.5 cm. Draw a straight line there. So you can label it if you want. That's your chest line. So we're going to get our point O now. And point O means, point D rather. Point D means your nipple point on pattern. So that's what we're going to create now. And to get that your point D, your nipple point, you're going to do your chest measurement divided by 4. So chest divided by 4 for me is 9.75. Mark it on your chest line and on your bust line. Okay, so join it together and extend it down by 2 centimeters, just like that. Do you see? So we're getting there already, we're almost done. So once you get your point D, this is your point D here, you're going to extend this line to your shoulder line. This is the shoulder line with broken lines. Okay, so just come out straight with broken lines up to your shoulder line, so that we can create our dart. All right, so now to create your dart from that broken line, go in by 2 centimeters. A constant measurement for everyone. Go in by 2 centimeters like this, and then connect this 2 centimeters to the point D. So from that 2 centimeters, you're going to create your dart by checking your chart measurement to find out your shoulder slope, okay, and your dart measurement. So from that 2 centimeters, you're going to connect your shoulder slope by doing dart plus shoulder. Your dart measurement and your shoulder measurement is on the chart. So do dart plus shoulder measurement and put it here. Mine is 22 cm. But before you do that, guys, I just remembered we need to put in our dart. First of all, get your dart on your chart. Mine is 9.5. Include your dart first of all. Connect it to point D. Like that. So this is the dart. This is your shoulder dart. So for the shoulder slope, like I said earlier, is shoulders plus dart measurement on chart. So mine is 22. So we're going to measure it from your 2 cm line, from your shoulder point rather. Oh, I have an exact measurement here, 22 cm. All right, so we're done with that. We're going to connect our shoulder point to our chest line, so it's be easy to create our armhole. All right, now create the same chest line you have here on your bust line. My chest measurement, I said 21.5. Create it back on your bust line and connect it to the line we just created. Yes, so we're almost done with our measurements. Now the next thing we're going to do is measure our bust on the bust line, and the formula to measure to get your bust measurement is bust divided by 2 minus back on pattern plus 5 cm. Now I've written it there for you guys to see so you understand it well. Once you have this bust measurement, guys, you will not have any issue with your pattern. It's going to be exact and perfect, a perfect fit on you. So you're going to do bust divided by 2 minus back on pattern plus 5 cm, and your back on pattern is back divided by 2 plus back up. I've shown you that before. So just do this plus 5 cm and get your exact bust measurement. Mine is 29 centimeter. Okay, so come back here to do your hip line. Hip divided by 4 and join it to your bust measurement. This line that we created from our bust line to our shoulder line, and look for the midpoint. So on that midpoint, you're going to go in by 1 cm. The 45 degrees line is here, not there. Okay, so you're going to connect from here to here, then from here to here, and here to here. So this way. Start like this. Make sure you get a perfect line before you draw it out. All right, so we have our arm fold ready. So the next thing we're going to do now is come down from your waist by 1 centimeter. This is going to be our true waistline. I explained that in the measurement video. So your true waistline, because our body is not straight, our waist is not straight, is not, you know, the same at the back and in front. So it's quite slant. So this is the back and this is the front measurement pattern. So once you have this, to create the waist shaping, I'm going to put it in the next video. So make sure you watch that so you know how to create your waist shaping. So you need to know this, guys. Here, this is how to label your pattern. This here is your CF, which means center front. This is your SF, which means side front. This is your SB, which means center side back, and CB is your center back. So usually when you cut your back pattern, you cut 2 of it, you know, because you're going to have a zip here on the side back, except you don't want to. And the front pattern is usually cut on fold. If you want it to be cut on fold, you have to write it there in bracket, cut on fold, so that whenever you're using it, you know what you're going to use it for. But this is how to make a basic pattern. We're not completely done because we need to shape in the waist to give a perfect fit. So watch the next video for that.